Oh yeah, we're out here with Danielle, right?
Jackie.
Jackie. So I have to make sure you know your name.
Yeah.
Good, you remember Wilkes. I know where you're from. I'm not gonna explain any of this. I know this guy too. It's good to have you guys out here today. What are you doing it for? Is your birthday today?
No, this crazy one was like, we're going skydiving. So I'm like, okay, let's go. I'm excited though.
So everybody at the church is gonna see this too, I'm thinking.
Probably.
You don't look nervous, you look pretty confident. I'm a mess right now.
You're a mess. No, you're not. No, you can't be a mess.
Just because I had a monster.
Oh, okay.
So what is it, your birthday or you just having fun?
Just having fun.
That's crazy, I love it. So what do you want to say? What's on your mind right now before you gotta do this plunge out of an airplane?
This is crazy and you gotta live.
Gotta live, otherwise yeah, go big or what?
Go big or go home.
And we going what?
I'm going big.
We going big, what you doing?
I'm going big.
Dude, high five. I'll see you on the plane, go big.
Yeah!
Yeah, yo. Jackie, you did great. How does it feel? You're crying! These are tears of joy, I'm thinking. Look at your face.
Oh my God!
Hey, he's my God too! Well, you're Scotty, where are you going? I'm not even done with you yet. First and foremost, you just did a jump from 18,000 feet and you lived.
I lived!
You lived. Look at that look on your face. I'm loving it. Look at your face.
Yeah!
So, on a scale of 1 to 10, what would you give this great experience?
10.
Tell everybody at home they should have been doing this, but...
Oh, dude, if you haven't done it, you need to do it!
Oh, that's what I'm talking about.
Yeah.
Jackie, you're awesome. It was a pleasure. to fly with you.
It does.